wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Noah and welcome back to Dream Again! Do you like my outfit? Ooh, I really like my tie. Isn't that pretty cool? And my hat? You know who I am? I'm Police Officer Noah today. And we're gonna learn about what police officers do. Police officers can either be male or female, right? Have you seen any of them before in your life? Maybe you have. So what do they do? Police officers make sure that our communities where we live, where you and I live, are safe. They make sure that bad people don't do bad things. And they will keep me safe from those bad people, as they will keep you safe from those bad people too, right? And for that, they have a special uniform on. So why do they have special uniforms on? Well, so we can all recognize that these are good people, right? They are good people in the same blue outfit, just like what I'm wearing. Kind of, almost. And they come in cars like this. They have these cars because they have sirens. And maybe we'll turn on one of the sirens for you to hear, right? They go wee, 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 wee. And when they do that, we want to make sure to be out of their way because they are probably chasing somebody who's done something bad. So if we're in a car and a police car has their siren on, we drive either to the left or the right. So they can do whatever they need to be doing. And if we're on the street and they do that too, the sirens, yeah, we want to do the same thing. And if we're in trouble, right? If somebody stole my backpack or stole my phone, I quickly call the police or ask them to help me. And do you guys know what the number for the police is? Do you know? It is 911. You want to be able to call that whenever you're in trouble. And somebody will be on the other side of the phone and help you out. So, kids, do you want to help me build this police car and then we can play around with it a little bit? Yes? Okay. Okay, kids. So this is my build and play police car. And it's a Ford police car because police cars drive Fords. Well, not all of them, but this one is. So let me open it up and let's start building our police car. All plastic. We don't want plastic. Too much plastic. Why there's always too much plastic? We want to save the ocean. We don't want this much plastic. I need my safety scissors. There we go. I got my safety scissors and now I can open this up. All plastic, plastic, plastic. We don't want plastic. This part, so this, let me put this aside. Let's first put our steering wheel. Starting to look like a police car, isn't it? out of their way. I got my police car done. You like this? Pretty cool, isn't it? So, let's play police car. Are we ready? Noah, police officer, on its way to rescue you and make sure that you are safe. Okay, kids. Now, I finished building my police car. Do you like it? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, that was fun. So, now, though, let me tell you what the favorite part of a police car is for me. It's the sirens. When they go blue and red, back and forth, and it goes wee, 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 wee. Isn't that the funnest part of a police car? But it also means that we need to get out of the way, right? So, why don't we play a little game right now with our police car? For that, we need a race car, right? A very, very fast car. So, let me pull out my car and put the police car to the side. So, this is a fast car. And in this case, there was a person who stole a computer. And they quickly ran into the car and then drove off and drove all around the streets like this. Whee, whee. Really, really fast, all the way over like this. And then somebody called in 911 and said, there's a fast car driving on the highway. We need help. I think he stole something from our store. Quickly, police, come. And sure enough, the police comes and drives after it, puts on its siren, wee, wee, wee. Everybody drives to the side, and it catches up. But oh no, the race car falls right on top of the police. Oh no, he's trying to get away, but the police officer jumps out of the car and catches the burglar. And wait, but hold on, the race car is on fire. We need a fire truck. 911, 911, we need the fire truck. There's a fire. And we got the fire truck coming. Quickly, quickly. Whoosh, wee, 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 wee. And it arrives and it quickly extinguishes the fire. And oh, good, everybody's safe. The police officer is safe. The burglar is safe. But we caught him because he did a bad thing, right? But we caught him because he was trying to steal something that wasn't his. And he needs to be caught. And the police officer did his job. And he saved us and saved the community. Everybody's safe again. Woohoo! Yay! Everybody's good. Okay, well, that's pretty exhausting. Now, fire trucks? We'll teach that to you in the next episode, right? I'm really pooped right now. That was a lot of race car driving. Okay, kids, I think that's it for today. I will see you next time, and have a great day. Bye! That was a little bit fast. So fast. Really exhausting. I don't want to do this again. I'm done.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! Whoa! Have you ever seen such a cute puppy in your whole life?
No, I haven't.
That's so neat. We've got mail! Whoa.
Wow, this looks quite impressive.
Yeah. Look at, they use the puff balls
Yeah.
and googly eyes.
Googly eyes.
Wow. Oh, yeah, that's great. Wow.
It's so nice. Here.
Let me see. Ooh, and let's see. Who is this one from? Oh, this one is from Vion. She's from Pennsylvania. Yay, Vion from Pennsylvania. Wow. People from all over the place send us stuff. It's so nice. It makes us feel really, really good, guys.
Yeah, thank you so very much for watching Dream Again and for sending us mail. We're really honored.
Yeah, you guys' art is very amazing.
Yeah.
I would like to take credit for it because we do crafts on the show, but I think you guys were amazing even before you met us.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
That's true.
Really good work.
Yep.
Yeah, I can't wait to put this up. Maybe we can put put this up in our art room sometime, yeah?
Oh, yeah, that would be nice.
That'd be nice.
Yep.
Cool. All right. Well, we'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for sending
Fionn.
us mail. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!